Chapter 2, Counting in Groups. Look and guess the number. Number 1. Can you guess how many cups are there? 3 and 3 is 6. 6 cups and 4 cups below. That should be 10 cups. Number 2. Can you guess how many pair of shoes are there? Well, there are 3 lines of 3 pairs of shoes in each line. That makes it 9 pair of shoes. Look at these things and try to guess the total number without counting each thing. Number 1. See these glasses. Now here 3 glasses are there in one group and 4 such groups are there. It means there are 12 glasses. Number 2. Now see this. There are 3 groups of spoons and in one group there are 8 spoons. So total number of spoons is 24. More or less? Let us guess. Well, let's play this guess game. Ring the correct answer. Number 1. Number of teeth in your mouth. What do you think? More than 40 or less than 40? Number of teeth are definitely less than 40, so ring that answer. Number 2. Number of seeds in an orange. More than 50, less than 50. Seeds may not be more than 50. What do you think? Well, then ring that answer. Number 3. Number of matchsticks in a matchbox. More than 30 or less than 30. In a matchbox, matchsticks may be more than 30. So ring that answer. Number 4. Number of pencils in your class. More than 45, less than 45. Well, according to me, there are more than 45 pencils in our class. Number 5. Number of spokes in one cycle wheel. More than 20 or less than 20? What do you guess? Well, I think it is less than 20. Ring that answer. Why don't you go and check your bicycle's wheel? Alright. Join the dots. Jojo Doggy is very hungry. Join the dots in order from 21 to 52 and find out what is hidden for him to eat. Let us join the dots. Start with 21. What's this? This is a bone for Jojo Doggy, its favorite food. What is your favorite food item? Think about it. The big carrot. An old man planted a carrot seed. The carrot grew big and sweet. It grew very, very big. He tried to pull out the carrot, but it did not come out. He quickly called his wife. The old man pulled the carrot leaves and the old woman pulled him, but they could not pull it out. The old woman called her granddaughter. The old man, the old woman, and the granddaughter tried, but could not pull the carrot out. The granddaughter called the dog. The old man, his wife, the granddaughter, and the dog could not pull the carrot out. Unbelievable! The carrot must have been very big. Then the dog called the cat. Everyone pulled, and the cat held on to the dog's tail. The carrot did not move. The cat called the mouse. They all pulled hard together, and the carrot came out. Zaboom! They all fell down. They were so excited, So they all went to the kitchen to make gajar ka halwa and ate it up. Superb!